In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files from Adobe Creative Cloud. We all know how crucial it is to keep our creative work safe and accessible, so understanding how to retrieve files you accidentally deleted can be a real lifesaver. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Creative Cloud desktop application. If you prefer or need to, you can also access your files via the web version. This is where you'll be able to view all your saved Creative Cloud projects and manage them as needed. Once in the app or on the website, direct your attention to the navigation panel, where you'll find an option labeled Files. This section is essentially your gateway to viewing all of your current, past, and even deleted files. Now, if you're on the desktop app, click on Files, and then select the option that says Deleted. For those using the web version, you'll similarly navigate to Files, but you'll find the Deleted section from a drop-down menu. This specific view is where Creative Cloud stores all of the files you've previously removed for just such an occasion. Take a moment here to scan through the deleted files list. The next step is to locate the file or files you want to restore. When you find the file you're looking for, hover over it with your cursor. You should see a checkbox appear. Go ahead and click it to select the file. This process allows you to choose one or multiple files that you'd like to bring back to your active stash. With your selection made, look for the Restore button. If you're in the desktop app, this should be clearly visible as a button or a menu option. On the web version, it's similar, and typically, it's easy to spot. Press this button, and just like that, your file or files will be restored back to your active cloud files. It's a pretty straightforward process, but the reassurance of getting your deleted work back is what's truly invaluable. After you've restored your file, you'll find it once again in your normal Cloud Files list. This is a great opportunity to sync the file to your local system if needed. You might also want to open it back up in your preferred Creative Cloud application to ensure everything is as you left it and continue your work seamlessly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to recover your deleted files in Adobe Creative Cloud. The next time you accidentally delete an important project, you'll know exactly what to do to bring it back. Make sure to save this guide for future reference, just in case. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.